Guys, it's Makaya. Welcome to my channel. If you're new and if you're not, thank you so much for joining me again today. So as you guys can see by the title of this video, this is going to be my go-to summer makeup look. You guys, it's about to get hot outside and I like to look really glowy and really like bright, you know. Love a bright under eye during the summertime. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is take my bio oil to moisturize my face. You guys know I like to use bio oil for literally everything. It's so moisturizing. I feel like it's really what has my skin looking really good lately. And then I'm going to take my retinol cream, like my daily retinol cream, and moisturize my face with that. I did my brows off camera just because right now I'm having like a, I don't know. I feel like I'm wanting to change the shape of them soon. So we'll see. I didn't really want to give a brow tutorial when I'm thinking about changing them. But I am just concealing my eyes using e.l.f. concealer as well as Benefit concealer. All the products that I use in this video will be down below in the description box. Because I don't be knowing the names of them exactly, even though I've been using this stuff literally for years. But now I'm going in with my ABH Contour Palette. I'm using the two lightest shades to set the concealer on my eyes. And then for this look, I really just wanted something that was like gonna make me look sun-kissed and just like super fresh, not too much. So I went into the Amrezy ABH palette in the shade NY, and then my e.l.f. bronzer, and then a little bit of like highlight on my eyelids, just because I just wanted something light, you know, nothing too crazy. I feel like during the summer I don't really like to wear a lot of makeup. I don't like wearing a lot of makeup in general, but especially during the summer, you kind of just want to look pretty, but you don't want to look overdone. So I am going to do a little small wing liner just because I like the way it makes my eyes look, like the shape of them. It elongates them a little bit because I do have smaller eyes. And then I'm going to go in with some mascara. And then I found these really cute lashes. I don't remember where I got them, but they're really fluffy. They kind of remind me of like individuals. Yeah, super cute. Now I'm going to go in with my foundation. This is the Makeup by Mario foundation. The reason why I'm using this one is because it's really like buildable. I keep saying like, I need to find a different word to use, but it's really buildable. It looks a lot like skin, and really lightweight in my opinion. So this is like perfect for the summer. If you're somebody who has really oily skin, I don't know if I would recommend this one, only because it is more on the dewy side of foundation. As you can see, there's like a sheen to my face. So if you are already oily, I'm not sure if you would like this one. I would say I have combination skin. But yeah, I would say I have combination skin, so I can pretty much use anything that I want, whether it be matte or a dewier foundation. But now I'm going to go ahead and contour using my MAC Studio Fix foundation stick in the shade NW47. Very warm, very lightweight as well. I do like to cream contour during the summer just because I try not to use as much powder during the summer, because powder does make you look a little bit more what's the word? Look matte. It makes you look more matte. And during the summer I like to look really like dewy and skin like. And then I am gonna go in with liquid blush. You guys know this is my favorite one. It's not super opaque, so I feel like it's pretty buildable and pretty beginner friendly. If you're just now getting into liquid blush, I would recommend the ones by Makeup Revolution because they aren't super opaque. They won't scare you. If you use a lot, it'll blend away pretty nicely. Like, it won't look too crazy. Off camera, I went ahead and did my e.l.f. concealer in the shade Deep Olive, and now I'm going in with the Benefit concealer. This is the one that just brightens up. The e.l.f. one is pretty much the color of my skin. So I just use that to conceal, and then I use the Benefit one to brighten. Now, of course, I'm going to go in and set my concealer with my Mercier translucent setting powder. You guys know this is like my holy grail. Like, there's no powder better than this one for me. I do want to try a few new ones, but I'm so set in my ways that if it's not broke, don't fix it. So if you guys have any setting powder recommendations for me that are more on the high end side, I'm not really into the drugstore setting powders. They don't work too well for me, so let me know what y'all are using. Now I'm going to go in with the 2 second to darkest shades to set my contour. This contour palette is medium deep, so it does work for a variety of complexions. And you guys know I love to set my contour on my nose just because I feel like it just makes it look a little bit more realistic versus just leaving the cream contour. The cream contour looks more skin-like, but I feel like if you don't set it, it'll move. So I am going to take the lighter shades in the contour palette just to set where I place the powder. Just push it in a little bit. And now I'm going to bronze my face using my e.l.f. bronzer. I really wish that they would come out with, like, you know, a different bronzer line to where they have like a name for it. Because when people ask me what bronzer I use, I just say e.l.f. bronzer. It doesn't have a name. It doesn't have a shade or anything like that. So, and then this is the NYX blush in the shade Double Dare. I do like to use a more orangey, is that a word? A more orange based blush during the summer. It's really pretty, especially over like a pink. And now I'm just going to highlight. We love a summer glow. So pretty and so skin-like. It's crazy how we use makeup to like achieve the same thing that our skin naturally does. Now I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. bronzer again, and that's what I decided to use on the lower lash line. I didn't really want to use any eyeshadows or anything too heavy, just like a little light color. I didn't want to leave it blank. And then I'm gonna go in with my highlighter in my inner corner. You guys know I used to do this all the time and I kind of stopped, but it's back. Now for the lip, I'm gonna do the Ruby Kisses lip liner just to shape my lips first. I just wanted to see if I would like my natural lip line, and it's okay. I just like for my top lip to be evened out on the sides. I like for it to connect to my bottom lip, which is why I do overline my top lip a little bit. But I'm using my ABH lip kit in the top right corner. It's like a medium brownish red shade, and I use that just to line my lips. I also do this on my clients as well when I do makeup. It just looks cleaner. I don't know how to explain it. Once I'm done lining my lips, I'm gonna go in with my NYX soft matte lip cream in the shade Zurich. I think that's how you pronounce it. And then on top of that, I'm gonna do my Ruby Kisses lipstick, and this one is in the shade Nude Rose. The NYX gloss that I'm using is in the shade Candy Lady. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of my Fenty Gloss Bomb on top, just because it's like super shiny, and I really like the way that it looks. And then, of course, to set my face, I'm gonna use my Benefit POREfessional setting spray. And yeah, you guys, that is the finished look. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Also, all the products that I use will be down below in the description box. So don't forget to check that out, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all.